Welcome back to the Pigeon Forge, and today I'm making a kukri from this leaf spring. Hope you enjoy. So I'm going to start by pounding in my tip. Most of the leaf springs we have are from scrapyards, and they have a lot of rust and pitting on them. So that rust, when you hit it, it flies off and it can burn through clothing. So we ground it off so we didn't have that, and it helped out. Well, after a few heats, the tip is starting to actually look like a tip. Now I'm starting to make my belly. So now I'm going to start making my handle. And we are also using the power hammer. We don't have a big blue. Is this some kind of joke? So I hurt my wrist in a snowboarding crash. So yeah, that slowed me down, but I could still pretty much get everything done. Even when I have a splint, I still am grinding. So that's my passion for this. And if you've liked what you've seen so far, subscribe, it's free. So I managed to grind all the pitting out to have a smooth kukri. And this is it right before a heat treat. So now I'm quenching it. Now I'm hand sanding. Now I'm drilling the holes. And he helped. Now I'm grinding my pins down to my scales. Now I'm rounding it. Let's see how it chops. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and follow my Instagram, MaxRangu. And if you've enjoyed what you've seen today, subscribe. It's free and it helps out a lot. And also, if you don't mind, like the video. And if you want to buy knives, go to pigeonknives.com. There's some pretty good ones there. So, yeah. Till next time, bye.